Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage your Stitch privacy settings for only one or two of your videos, or individual videos I guess. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's first open up our TikTok app. Let's go to our profile first, and since we are today managing Stitch privacy settings for only one of our videos individually, so there are two ways: before you post a video and after posting a video for an existing video, I may say. So for an existing video, it's easy. Let's go to one of my videos. Let's tap here. To allow stitching for this video, you can see the three dotted icon over here on the bottom right corner of your phone. Over here, tap there, and after that you can see these three rows of option appear. On the third row, you need to a little slide it to your left, and you can see the privacy setting over here. Just tap there, and you can see all these options: allow duet, allow stitch, and allow comments. And now, if you want everybody to, or your friends to, be able to stitch with your video, you can just leave the toggle icon green. And if you don't want anybody to stitch with your video, just tap on the toggle icon. After it turn gray like this, no one will be able to allow to stitch with your video. Since I want my video to be stitched with anybody they want to, I will leave the toggle icon green for now. So there guys, managing Stitch privacy settings for an existing video in TikTok is this easy. Now by another way, let's go to a video before we post a video. So let's record a video for 5 seconds of my laptop. Let's see the next icon over here on the bottom right corner, and you can see the allow stitch button, or the toggle icon for allow stitch option, is turned green, which means that anybody can stitch with a video, this current video. And if you tap the toggle icon, if it turns gray, after it turns gray, no one will be allowed to stitch with your videos. There guys, managing Stitch privacy settings for one of your videos individually before you post a video and after posting a video for an existing video is this easy on TikTok. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the content or topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you.